Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Just want to give a quick shout out and say thanks so much for being the first to comment on my last video. So in today's video, we're going to be doing my full prep routine, full nails from start to finish. So let's just hop right in. I'm going in with my MelodySusie. This is a 2-in-1. So it's a UV lamp and it also has the nail drill e-file attached to it. So it's super handy. It saves a lot of space. I love this. I've had this nail drill for 2 years, almost 3 actually now, and it has, knock on wood, yet to fail me. But I'm just going in and prepping my nails. Personally, for me on my channel, I don't believe in removing cuticles. I just feel like it's unnecessary. I mean, unless you have super duper overgrown cuticles, then maybe. But I just personally don't feel like it's worth the risk of, like, you know, infections and whatever. I do my nails myself on my own hand, so it's not like I'm doing multiple people, but I just go in and I remove the cuticles off of my nail beds. So I don't remove them fully. I just make sure that they're off of my nail beds. But if you do want to remove them, I feel like the safest way is probably using like a cuticle remover, like a liquid, rather than going in with tools and cutting them and doing like a Russian manicure. I don't know. I just don't think that's the way to go. But yeah, so now I'm going in with a separate tool. This is a different drill bit, and I'm just really making sure that my cuticles are fully removed off of my nail bed. And you can do all this in conjunction with a cuticle like liquid remover as well. This is just personally what I do. It works well for me. My cuticles aren't really like a major issue for me, so this is just what works for me. Lastly, I'm going in with a sanding band, and this is a fine grit sanding band. And I also forgot to mention, when doing this, I do it all on the lowest speed possible, and I'm just going in and buffing out my nails and just fully removing the shine. You want to be gentle on your natural nails, so I'm just doing this very lightly. All right, so now I'm just gonna dust off all of that debris. Now we're going to get into Dehydrator. So this is a dehydrator slash primer. I purchased this off of Amazon. I'll be sure to have all the links and stuff down below, but I'm just going in and applying that to my nails. The second step of this process is the Young Nails Protein Bond. That is my absolute favorite product. It's my go-to product to die for product. It is really the main thing that helps my nails stay on, and it helps me never have like any lifting or any nails popping off. Ever since I switched to using the second product that I'm about to show you guys, the little white bottle Young Nails Protein Bond, my nails have like just been amazing. Like, I've never had lifting or anything, and I really truly feel it's because of this product. It's so weird though, because some people love it and some people hate it, so you just have to try it out for yourself. It's pretty inexpensive. I think you can get it for like $7 or $8 on Amazon. It is a small bottle, but it lasts you a long time. I haven't had to get a second one yet, and I've probably had this for a year now. Alright, so lastly is base coat. This is a gel base coat, and this is by OPI. I personally just really prefer a sticky base coat when doing my prep, like a super sticky base coat, and this one works well for me. Alright, so we're using my Almond Short soft gel full nail covers. These are soft gel and not ABS plastic. These are available for purchase in my Etsy shop, and as I said earlier, I have all the links down below. But I'm just going in and sizing them out, making sure that they fit my nails wall to wall. Me personally, I love this shape. It's like definitely my favorite. I don't know, it's just, if you have long fingers, I just feel like the almond shape like elongates and makes your nails just look super like classy. I don't know. So I have this in a short almond, and then if you think these are a little bit too long, I do offer an extra short almond shape as well. So definitely be sure to check out my Etsy. My nails are super high quality. As I said, they are soft gel, not ABS plastic. So bam. Now what we're doing is going in with my solid nail tip glue gel. This is also in my Etsy shop. My go-to product, favorite. Ever since I started using this, it just changed the nail game for me. Some days I really used to dread doing my nails because as you guys know, I do polygel, so polygel can just take too long sometimes, and the polygel colors that you use, it's never consistent. Sometimes it's too gooey, blah blah blah. I still love my polygel, don't get me wrong, I absolutely still love it, but this just makes it like, if you want to do a set of nails quick, fast, easy, this product is perfect for you. It's like a putty, or yeah, it's like a tacky putty, sticky putty texture, and it's super easy to use. You just scoop a small amount out, apply it to your nails. You get the hang of how much you should be scooping on each nail, but if you do have any excess that falls around the edges or oozes out around the edges, you just remove that before you cure, and you're ready to go. Super easy. Love this product. And as always, you want to make sure that you do your thumb separately. Alright, so now that our nails are fully adhered, we're going to get into the design. So I'm using this Nails Cat polish. The shade I'm using is the shade Frenchie. I'm sorry I didn't show it in the video. I'm using the shade Frenchie, and I'm doing 2 coats of this. This is a rubber base coat. This is I don't think it's a small business anymore. Her page pretty much blew up, so I'm sure if you do nails that you already know about her channel or her website. It's amazing. She sells these super nice, thick, and rich in color rubber base coats. I personally love her products, and this is one of my favorite colors. I'll be sure to have the link to it down below, but I'm just going in and applying 2 coats of that. And this is a little trick. I go in after I apply my coats and I wipe down this, like I swipe the sides of my nails. This just helps your nails not be bulky from applying that gel polish. So I'm using this rubber stamper. I got this off of Shein, and I'm using a white polish. This is the white polish by Apres. I think it's Apres. And if I'm saying that wrong, please let me know in the comments. But yeah, you kind of really want to use this rubber stamper for shorter nails. This is definitely risky, especially with this almond shape. But I only had to do it for one nail, and it just makes like the whole part there like super easy, like the rounding part. So you really just have to fill in the top. Like I said, it's more suited for shorter nails, but it's definitely a product that you should have in your nail kit. Super amazing. I'm just going in and, like I said, finishing off the rest of the nails, but it just, like you see, I just completely did my French tip within seconds. So I like this method, or I do the A method. And if you don't know the A method, then I'll be sure to leave it in the comments, or be sure to leave it in the comments and I'll do a video on that. But here it is, and as I said, you definitely want to make sure that you're swiping the sides of your nails, just to remove that extra bulkiness. Okay, so this is my tip to making my nails like a really like snood color, as I like to say. I just went in and I did a really thin layer of the same color Frenchie on top, and it just kind of makes, I don't know, it just kind of like blends it all in so that white isn't so stark. Sometimes I do like a really stark white French tip, but for this nail look, I just wanted it to be like a snood theme. Alright, so now we're going in with top coat. I'm topping off my nails before I apply my decals and my ombre. Actually, I didn't apply my top coat to the nail that I'm ombreing. It was charging, so that's why I'm kind of doing it a little bit backwards. But I would ombre first and then I would go in with the top coat. But I'm going in now and I'm just showing you guys. This is a drill point rhinestone like adhesion pen. So as you can see, it has a needle point tip, and it just like gives you the ultimate precision for applying your rhinestones. And then it's a 2-in-1, so you can also unscrew it and apply it like if you were to apply a gel polish. I love this product. I purchased it off of Amazon. It came in a 2-pack, and I've had it for 2 years now, and I'm still on 1 bottle. And I do my nails often, so I definitely recommend having this in your nail kit as well. These are also silver rhinestones. These are not AB crystals. I hate AB crystals. But alright, so now I'm doing the ombre. As I said earlier, I would do the ombre, then apply your top coat, and then do the nail decals. But yeah, I'm using my ombrayer. This is an airbrush ombrayer, purchased off of Amazon as well. We love Amazon over here. But this was about 40 bucks. It's super inexpensive, and if you like ombre nails like I do, go ahead and purchase it. I'm telling you, it makes the perfect ombre nails every single time, and it's so quick and easy. I love doing ombre nails, and I've tried all the methods in the world, sponges, nail tips, like I've tried everything, and nothing gives me the perfect ombre like this does. It's truly like your perfect airbrush ombre. So I definitely recommend investing in it. If you don't know how to set up this product, I do have a recent video, and I'll try and link it in the cards here on how to use a how to use a airbrush. And it's really easy. It's not a learning curve at all. It's super easy. I had no clue until I bought it, and I really just played around with it and figured it out. But yeah, so now I'm just going in and finishing off that rhinestone application. Again, you want to make sure you do your top coat before the rhinestones, but I just forgot, so I just went in and did top coat and then cured. Alright, so the last and final step is cuticle oil. This is my favorite. I'm just going in with one of my cuticle oils out of my Etsy shop. It is currently sold out, but it will be back in stock soon. And here's the final results. Super cute, classy nails. I absolutely love this nail shape. And if you guys enjoyed this nail tutorial, please don't forget to leave me a like, comment, and subscribe. I'd love you guys so much, and I will be sure to catch you in my next video. Bye.